The GE-8-32BWH, also known as the P32 DASH-8, is a passenger train locomotive used by Amtrak. 20 of these locomotives were delivered to Amtrak in 1991, numbered 500 through 519. They were nicknamed Pepsi Cans by many rail fans due to being delivered in a wide-striped red, white, and blue livery. The DASH-8 32BWH has since been relegated to yard switching, mainly in Los Angeles, Oakland, Chicago, Miami, and the auto train terminals. However, the DASH-8s occasionally substitute for the Genesis units if necessary. The Los Angeles-based units see frequent use on the Coast Starlight and are frequently used on Amtrak's Cascade service. All DASH-8-32BWH locomotives are now undergoing an overhaul at the Amtrak Beech Grove shops. Part of the overhaul includes repainting the locomotives into Phase 5 livery. In this video, we see Amtrak 503 and 505 passing through Bernalillo, New Mexico and the Southwest Chief on their way back to California. Silver Rapids and Silver Solarium grace the rear of Amtrak 3 with Amtrak 505.